The Freefolk Brewery is a nanobrewery that focuses on American beer styles. We look at craft beer as an art. We appreciate art and want to promote art, so we look at craft beer the same way. I made wines and made bad plum wine for a few years and started to study fermentation. And then I bought a beer making kit. I made bad beer and just I wanted, just a kind of competitive spirit in me. Said, like, you can get better at this, and just started to dive into the brewing process and fermentation, and kind of slowly became a home brewer. And talking with my business partner, Jamie Lester, we were like, let's start a craft beer bar in Fayetteville. And then evolved into a small brewery, just brewing some like 1 or 2 styles. And then it evolved into what we're doing now. We brew lots of different American styles, stouts, browns, IPAs, New England IPAs. We don't filter our beer, so most of our beer is going to be hazy. So you're going to get anywhere from some of our beers are citrus and tropical, to some of our beers are piney and resinous. And some of our beers, like our stouts, are going to be biscuity, malty sweet with some coffee and roasted notes to it. I think what makes the Freefolk unique is, I think it starts here in our tap room. You will definitely be invited into a unique space. It's not cookie cutter at all, and that transitions to the way we make beer. That's the beauty of craft beer. There's, you can try to copy somebody's style, but certainly your beer will be different. And it's just like, life imitates art, art imitates life, and I think beer's the same way, We wanted to be West Virginia based, because we are graduate of WVU. My business partner is, my wife is, so we love the mountaineers, we love football, basketball. But the state motto, Montani Sempre Libri, it stands for Mountaineers are always free. That's who our descendants are the free people, the free folk, and that's who we are, moving forward in here. And kind of a new Appalachia, because, like I said, my father was a coal miner, business partner's father was a coal miner. My father made energy, I make craft beer, so.